How to monetize your expertise so you can double your business or more while working less than you are right now. Would you like to double your business or more while working less than you are right now? Well, that's what this video is all about. Hi, I'm Dr. Noah St. John. I am the founder of the 12-Week Breakthrough Program, as well as father of affirmations, the mental health coach to the stars, and I'm known as the Breakthrough Coach because I help people just like you to double your business or more while winning your life back. Now, how do you know that this works? Well, if you go to noahstjohn.com/reviews or coachingwithnoah.com, you will see all of these reviews from big celebrities like Gary Vaynerchuk, Stephen Covey, Jenny McCarthy, and on and on and on and on, as well as really amazing and real life success stories from people just like you, entrepreneurs who wanted to make more money while working less. All right. So you can just go check all of that out at breakthroughwithnoah.com and coachingwithnoah.com. There it is. These are just a few of the hundreds and hundreds of success stories that I've helped people just like you to create over the last 25 plus years. All right, so there it is right there. So now let's go to this module 3 of your 7-figure fast track. Now, if you want to get the entire course here, all you have to do is go to right here, go to freegiftfromnoah.com. Freegiftfromnoah.com. That's how you make sure that if you're watching this on YouTube, you get all of the bonuses and everything that I didn't put on YouTube. So go to freegiftfromnoah.com and you'll get everything that you see here, all of these things, as well as the bonuses that you can't get on YouTube. All right, so here we are in module 3, monetization method mapping. Don't you just love my alliteration? So here it is. All you have to do, just like we already did in modules 1 and 2, you just go to module 3. There it is. There's your action guide. Now you'll notice that I love action and I love action takers. Why is that? Well, because the world rewards action. The world doesn't reward people who sit around and think. I wish that were true, right? Wouldn't it be nice if we could just think about money and it just pours in from the ceiling, pours in from the sky, pours in from the heavens? Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. We have to go out and take action. And this is a very key point. You have to take action in spite of your fear. You have to take action in the face of fear. And why is that true? Because everything that you desire is on the other side of fear. At every single point in my life and in my career, I have always had to overcome fear in order to get the things that I want. And think about that. I know it's true for you too. Think about that time. Maybe you saw that person across the crowded room and you were too scared to go to talk to them, right? Or maybe you saw them across the crowded room and you overcame your fear and you went to talk to them and they ended up, being either a lifelong friend or maybe even your spouse. All right. So that actually is exactly what happened to me, right? When I met my beautiful wife, I was very scared to talk to her, but I made that phone call and boom, here we are all these years later. And I got a big smile on my face. All right. So that's the point. All right. So if you're waiting to be not afraid, that day will never come. You have to take action in spite of fear. In fact, in the face of fear. So here we are. So I'm mapping this all out for you so that you can get there actually way faster than I did because I didn't have anyone to help me. And I spent over $750,000 going to all these gurus who cannot teach their way out of a paper bag. I am going to save you tons of time, money, and effort. And all the arrows in my back means that my pain is your gain. You're welcome. All right, so here we are. Hello, savvy entrepreneur. Now it's time to turn your expertise into earnings. This module is all about creating a product or service that your audience will love and buy. What you're going to do, you're going to create a simple, valuable resource that you can offer based on your expertise and outline a plan to monetize it. Why do you want to do this? So you can start generating income from your knowledge and skills and provide tangible value to your audience. Now, remember, I didn't know any of this when I started. When I started 27 years ago in 1997, I had no idea how to do this because nobody taught me. So I had to learn the hard way. I'm giving this to you. This is a free course for the love of God. All right. So you're welcome. My God, all of this I'm teaching you cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars and I'm giving it to you for free. So here we go. Number 1, spotlight your solution. All right. So remember, each of these modules builds on the previous one. So you got to watch these in order and do them in order. Consider a common problem your audience faces that you know how to solve. A frequent challenge my audience encounters is blank and I can solve it by blank. So what is their challenge? In my case, not making the money they want, right? That's why you're watching this, right? You're just not making the money you want. You're putting in those long hours. Maybe you're going to all these seminars. Maybe you spent a lot of money on gurus, probably not as much as me, but you've done all the things and it's still not where you want to go. You keep hitting that income ceiling. So what is my solution? My 12-week breakthrough blueprint. That's where I teach you exactly how to break through your income ceiling using my inner game and outer game methods that have made over $3 billion for me and my clients. All right, design your offer. A simple, easy to understand offer that addresses the problem you've identified. So my offer will consist of blank, which will help by blank. So for example, there are many, many examples here, right? Books, online courses, ebooks, one-on-one coaching, group coaching. And how will this help? It will help by walking people through my 12-week breakthrough blueprint and supporting them through that process. That's what I do. So if you want to get some inspiration, all you have have to do is go to shopnoahstjohn.com, shopnoahstjohn.com, or noahstjohn.com/shop. There it is right there. And you can see some of the offers that I have. So for example, if you're making at least $500K, if you're making at least $500,000 a year, you want to get this. That's one-on-one private mentoring with me. So here's that page right here. And the headline says, I'm successful and unhappy. Please help. Now these are actual words that people send me. In other words, there's a lot of miserable millionaires out there. So maybe you're making a lot of money right now, but either number one, you're still hitting that income ceiling, or number two, you're just not enjoying it like you thought you would be. All right. So that's when you want to get the one-on-one coaching with me. And here is, what some of my coaching clients say. Coaching with Noah St. John is an absolute no-brainer. All right. So I helped Adam go from being stuck at 7 figures to over 8 figures in less than 18 months. To say that Noah St. John's coaching has changed my life is the understatement of the century, says Stacy. And here it is. You can read that page again. It's noahmentor.com. Gary V, Mike Filsame, and on and on and on. I helped Brittany $40 million empire, and on and on and on. By the way, there's the video from Bill, who is now doing multi-billion-dollar deals. All right, so there you go. And all you do is you need to fill out the form right here, and this is the form. You just fill it out, and then you just select a time. You get on the phone with me or one of my coaches. All right, so that is an example of one-on-one mentoring, right? Now, if you're making less than 10K a month, you want to start here at Power Habits Academy. I have Get Unstuck Now, Affirmations Advantage, Done For You, IAForm audios. If you want to up-level your online business, you go to 7-Figure Machine, and on and on. All right, so that is all at shopnoahstjohn.com. Now, why am I showing you this? Why is this important to you? This is for inspiration. Keep in mind, I've been doing this for over 25 years, so this took me so long to put this together because all I had was gurus who can't teach their way out of a paper bag. So I have compiled all of this for you, so I make your job actually way easier than my job was. You're welcome. All right, so there it is. All right, so that is your offer. Everything starts with your offer. Now, outline your sales page. Draft the key points that will make your audience see the value of your offer. Now, there's a heck of a lot to this. Just this one thing, I could teach a whole course around just how to build a sales page. But for the purposes of this course, here you are. You just want to talk about the benefits of your offer. So in my case, you'll make more money, you'll work less, and you'll win your life back. So that is here. NoahMentor.com is a great example of that. There's also BreakthroughWithNoah.com that you can learn more about that. That's another great example. And really all of these, everything that I do is really all about helping you to make more money while working less and winning your life back. So that's that. Now, after you've done all that, after you put together a draft, I want you to go to the 7-Figure Life Facebook group right here, facebook.com/group/7-Figure Life. There it is right there. And just post it there in the group. Based on feedback, I will tweak my offer by making it as attractive as possible. All right. And then you want to set your price. All right. You want to set your price. Now, there are 3 basic offers that you can offer. Okay. So done for you is where it's exactly what it sounds like. That's where you actually just do it for your client. All right. So that is for people who tend to have more money than time. That's for the people who say, hey, Noah, I just want you to do it for me. For example, we have a book done for you service where I actually get your book done for you. And we just do it because I've written 25 books and I've done everything from getting 6-figure book deals from the world's largest publishers all the way through self-publishing and hybrid and everything in between. In fact, I'm the only author in history who's had works published by Hay House, HarperCollins, Simon & Schuster, Mindvalley, Nightingale Conant, and The Chicken Soup for the Soul Publisher. No one in history has ever done that except me. So that's why you know that you can trust me when you want to get your book done. We also have a funnel done for you service. That's where we build your sales funnel. My team and I built over 200 sales funnels over the last 8 years. So there's very few people who have that kind of expertise as well. So that's done for you. So what type of things can you offer for your clients? Then you have done with you, right? That's where you have one-on-one or group coaching. So that could be anywhere from $6,000 to $100,000. All right. So that's done with you. That's my one-on-one and group coaching. You can learn more about that at breakthroughwithnoah.com. And then there's the do-it-yourself, right? So I have online courses. I've got books. I've got things that you can just go through at your own pace. I just showed you some examples of that at shopnoahstjohn.com. All right. So this is all to give you ideas and inspire you to know that if I can do it, you can do it. So now take action. Finalize your offer based on the group's feedback. So post it in the group. Go ahead to set the 7-Figure Life group right here on Facebook. Go ahead and post it. Get some feedback right there from the group. And there you go. Now, why do you want to do this? All right. So what are the benefits of doing this? What I'm showing you right now? Well, first of all, it's going to boost your confidence. It's going to improve your communication. It'll enhance your professional image. It'll build your credibility, increase your opportunities. It'll attract your ideal clients, and it will set the foundation for the exponential growth, the hockey stick growth that I've helped so many of my clients get. So why does this feel awesome? Because you're on your way to not just being an expert, but also being, a paid expert. You've created something of value that will will help others and contribute to your business growth. Remember, monetizing your message is a journey that requires careful planning, patience, and persistence. And above all, it really needs the support that you need to succeed. So if you want my personal help so you can double your business or more without the normal hassles, just apply to join my 12-week breakthrough program at breakthroughwithnoah.com. And here's what it looks like right here. If you go to breakthroughwithnoah.com, that's where it is right here. This one little shortcut could double your business or more. And that's it. So just watch that video. It's a training video that I have here, and then just press that green button and book your consultation. Now it's a complimentary consultation with me or one of my coaches, and we will map it out for you. We'll actually map out your monetization method, your monetization map, and that way you can actually make more while working less. This is how we do it, and this is how I've helped hundreds of people do it, and how I can help you too. All right, so go to breakthroughwithnoah.com. Do this homework, do this assignment. Why? Because this is going to benefit you tremendously, more than you can imagine. I have literally helped people who had no idea where to start, literally no idea that they could even ever build an online course, and now they're making a consistent 5 and 6 figures per month on autopilot. So if I can do it, if they can do it, you can do it too. All right, this is Dr. Noah St. John. I will see you in the next module, and I look forward to being a part of your success story.